Palmer House Hotel is the longest continuously operating hotel in North America, and over the years it has become the cultural epicenter of Chicago. Artists, celebrities, and almost every president since 1871 has come to stay at this hotel over the years. But the sordid history of the building is one that has been largely kept under wraps by the owners. The ghost of Bertha Palmer, philanthropist and wife of the original owner of the hotel, Bertha Palmer, is still said to haunt the grand ballroom. The ghost of Evelyn Okubo, a Japanese-American woman who, when visiting the hotel in the 1970s, was viciously murdered in her hotel room, still haunts the upper floors. And the ghost of Duskey, a special education teacher on the south side of Chicago who came to the hotel in 2010 for a Halloween ball, and when dared by her friends to slide down a spiral staircase, fell 4 stories to her death, haunts that staircase on Halloween night every year. Today, the hotel is foreclosed as one of the larger examples of the effects of the ongoing pandemic on the city of Chicago. We don't know who will be the new owner or when the building will reopen, but one thing's for sure, those ghosts will be waiting for us when we return.